Hey guys, welcome to BrotherBoost. This is my 1997 Honda Civic, and today we're going to be swapping these old crusty taillights out that have black overspray on it from a horrible rattle can job to these brand new Amazon clean look headlights. I will link these down below. They are made in Taiwan. They do not come with bulbs, so we'll be reusing what's in there. But let's go ahead and get started. Very, very simple and quick process. All it is 4 bolts in each side. You're going to want to pull your liner away a little bit and access the 4 or 8 millimeter bolts. Okay, this little dongle here, it slides out. Don't pull it out and break it like I just did. Looks better already. I know you're not seeing what I'm doing in here, but it's literally 4 bolts. If you can't do that, work on it. Let's move up to the top, same thing. That one's only 3, but it's a tighter fit. So now, I guess we've got to take this back cover off, which is 2 Phillip heads, and to get to the bulbs. Little tip, try not to touch these bulbs because the oil from your hands will make them burn out. That old headlight actually broke some pieces off. Right here, there's a little nut that we got to take off. I didn't see that before. Let's move to the other side. Okay guys, there it is. Very, very simple. Very, very simple disassemble and installation on that. Literally four bolts on each one. The lights on the trunk had a super tight fit. Honestly, it would not hurt to remount the holes a little bit with like a drill bit or something, make it fit a whole lot better, and your alignment will have a little bit more adjustment, you know. So anyway, very simple install. I hope I was able to help some of you beginners out on maybe your first Honda Civic installation. Once again, the link to these down below. Try not to touch your bulbs with your hands, wear gloves. I think I'm gonna swap them all over to LED. So I'm gonna go back in there. I'll probably ream those holes out and put some LED bulbs all around. It was great to take a little break from the in-depth turbo build on this thing and do something simple, easy, and straightforward. But if you're interested in seeing this thing get turboed, go watch some of my other videos and tune in for the next upcoming where we finish the exhaust. But overall, very easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.